So one of the things that you can do in Jotform is use an image gallery widget. So to do that, you can click on add element and then go to widgets right here. And then you can go ahead and scroll down. Or you can go ahead on to search widget and simply type in image gallery right here. Then you get this image gallery widget. So if you want to go ahead and show some images, then you can go ahead and utilize this widget. Here you can see that you can go ahead and choose the layout as you wish, and then you can choose image, and you can choose from my images, enter image URL, or upload out your image as well. Let's just go ahead and upload it right here, and on my desktop you can see that I got some images right here. Let's just go ahead and open it and then insert it out right here, just like this. And what happens is that all of those images right here will be loaded out. You can go ahead and choose and upload more images as well. So I'm just going to go around over here onto gallery, select out these pictures as well, and then I'm going to go ahead and upload them. And that is how you can go ahead and add the image as well, and you can see a gallery right here. You can go ahead and change the layout as you wish right here, like in a grid layout, or let's say for example this type of a layout right here. So you can choose the layout as you want. Let's just go ahead and use this one, which seems quite creative, as you can see right here. So once that is done, if I were to go ahead and preview out the form right here, then what happens is that I will simply see the image gallery. So you can see that I have the images right here, just like this, arranged in a certain way. So if you want to give a visual reference to your users, then you can utilize this widget right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the image gallery widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.